Hello, so today I'm with my friend Jauke. He's from Netherlands and we're gonna hike in Italian part of Switzerland. And now, as always, we're gonna miss the bus, so we have to walk a little bit faster, and then we have to take a train and cable car.
Dieser Zug fährt weit.
2 more days till May and it's full of snow. We are in Lugano. We are at the cable car. There are billions of people waiting for it, so we might not be able to fit. Okay, we survived the cable car. So we reached this small little village called Bre, and we are walking on some ancient stairs towards the trail. It looks pretty cool. We met some friendly cows on our way. You can see some snow down below. Luckily the pass is clear, so I think we can make it all the way to the top. So we decided to check some views on that small hill. It's not allowed, very dangerous to walk the fence. It's okay, actually the snow is fine. At least my camera is still with me. Haven't break anything. What's on the top? Woo! The lake. It's gonna be the hardest thing in my life. We're gonna use the selfie stick and we're gonna land the drone. Oh, ready for it? Got it. Okay, it was a nice little break. We are going down, and then we're going up all the way to that hill. Okay, so according to the map, we crossed to Italy. Now we're gonna cross back to Switzerland. All right. We are on the ridge. There are 2 sides. You can see both of them. It's pretty cool. And we want to go there. 5 more minutes. What are you eating? Snow?
Snow.
You.
Oh, fucking bitch.
On the top. I think it was pretty easy, but fun. So now we're gonna go this beautiful ridge, which is exactly the border of Switzerland and Italy. Enjoy some snow. We are finally arrived to the dark side of the mountain, and it means it's full of snow. It's melted snow, so it's not so comfortable to walk on it. We are back to the land and we have a bus in less than half an hour, 29 minutes. We'll probably miss it, but we'll try to make it. It's time for shortcut. After making several shortcuts, we actually made it faster than, like 10 minutes faster than Google Maps predicted. So we are still waiting for the bus. It's gonna be like in 2 minutes and then we can go back to Zurich. So we arrived to Lugano and we are super happy, but we have 40 minutes to wait for the next train, which doesn't make any sense. So we have to do something. We are at the beautiful Lugano lake. Finally arrived to Today we forgot to eat, so now we're gonna do this. So it's time for 2 really good vegetarian meals and it's time to go home and sleep. It was a really hard day.